Welcome back to Semantic Tech YouTube channel. Samsung is closing in on the announcement of its next-generation flagship smartphones, with numerous features having surfaced in recent leaks. Some speculations suggested a RAM upgrade for Samsung's high-end devices, but a recent rumor contradicts these claims. According to the reliable tipster Ice Universe, the base model of the Galaxy S24 will feature 8 GB of RAM, with no memory upgrade options for pricier variants. Moving to the Galaxy S24 Plus, while it will offer a variant with 12 GB RAM, its entry-level version will retain 8 GB RAM. The rumor also suggests that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will maintain 8 GB RAM for the entry-level model and offer 12 GB RAM for the higher-specced version. If these details are accurate, it may not bode well for Samsung in terms of public perception. Consumers might not appreciate Samsung's cost-cutting approach, especially considering the lack of an increase in RAM for its flagship smartphones for 4 consecutive years. This situation is particularly unfavorable, as these devices are anticipated to support on-device AI, which typically requires ample memory. Furthermore, it places Samsung in an unfavorable light compared to rival smartphones from other Android brands, many of which offer 16 GB or even up to 24 GB RAM on certain models. Moving on to specifications, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are expected to feature the Exynos 2400 processor in most countries, excluding Canada, China, and the US. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, is slated to include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. Camera setups for all three phones are anticipated to include 12MP selfie cameras and 12MP ultra-wide cameras. Specifically, the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a 200MP primary camera, a 10MP telephoto camera, and a 50MP telephoto camera. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are projected to have a 50MP primary camera and a 10MP telephoto camera. Additional features for the Galaxy S24 Ultra include an S Pen, a 5000 mAh battery, and 45 AU fast charging. The Galaxy S24 is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery and 25 AU charging, while the Galaxy S24 Plus has a 4900 mAh battery with 45 AU charging. Across the board, all phones are expected to feature stereo speakers, 5G connectivity, GPS, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a USB Type-C port.